Are you ready to unlock the secrets to profitable digital advertising? I'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to make money online. Let's get started. Digital advertising is a powerful tool that can generate substantial profits if used correctly. So, how exactly can you make money with digital advertising? Well, it all starts with understanding your target audience and their needs. First, research your niche to identify a problem your audience wants to solve. This could be anything from losing weight to learning a new skill. Once you pinpoint their pain point, it's time to create compelling content that addresses their needs. Are you struggling to find the perfect niche for your business? Well, fear not, because we're here to help. Finding the right niche is crucial for your business's success. It's what sets you apart and makes you stand out from the competition. So, if you're ready to unleash untapped success, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your passion. Think about what you love doing and what sparks your interest. Your passion will drive your business and help you stay motivated during the challenging times. Step 2. Research your market. Look at what's currently out there and analyze the needs of your target audience. What problems can you solve? Find a gap in the market that you can fill with your unique value proposition. Step 3. Understand your target audience. Dive deep into their demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you tailor your products or services specifically to their needs. The more you know about your audience, the better you can serve them. Step 4. Test your niche. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to test it out. Start small, gather feedback, and make adjustments along the way. This will ensure that your niche is viable and has the potential for long-term success. Step 5. Be adaptable. As your business grows, you might need to adjust your niche to stay relevant. Stay informed about industry trends and listen to your customers' feedback. Adapting to change will help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain your success. Remember, finding the perfect business niche takes time and effort, but it's worth it. So, unleash your untapped success by unveiling your perfect business niche today. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Next, you'll want to choose the right platform to reach your audience. These platforms offer various advertising options tailored to your target demographic. Crafting attention-grabbing ads is crucial. Create catchy headlines, captivating visuals, and persuasive copy that resonates with your audience. Remember, you want to capture their attention and entice them to click on your ad. But it doesn't end there. Now, it's time to track your ad campaign's performance. Analyze metrics like click-through rates, conversions, and return on investment. This data will help you optimize your ads to maximize profits. Lastly, don't forget the importance of building a loyal customer base. Once you've attracted visitors with your ads, focus on fostering long-term relationships. Engage with your audience through newsletters, social media, and personalized offers to encourage repeat purchases. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make money with digital advertising. Keep testing, refining, and adapting your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks on making money online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy advertising!